Buenas tardes. Today we are going to be learning 20 new Spanish verbs that you must know as a beginner. But this time they end in ER or AR. The first verb that we have here is comer. Comer means to eat. Comer. And remember this ER ending here, we're not going to say comer, we're going to say comer. Comer. The next verb we have here is ver. And as you can see here, this V is actually making the b sound. So like the B would in English. So V makes this B sound here. Be. So ver. So we're not going to say ver. We're going to say ver. And ver means to see. Beber. Beber means to drink in Spanish. Beber. Barrer. Barrer means to sweep. As you can see here, we have the double R in the middle of this word. Barrer. Barrer. Correr. Correr means to run. As you can see here, we have the double R again. Correr. Agradecer. Agradecer means to thank. Agradecer. This one for me has always been very difficult because you have to change from the A vowel sound to the E vowel sound right after. So agradecer, and it's not agradecer. I used to say that all the time. So no, it's agra. Agra first, then decer. Agradecer. Creer. Creer means to believe. Creer. Comprender. Comprender means to understand. Comprender. And here you have to be very careful with the R and not say comprend. But it's a little bit of the rolling R. So it's comprend, comprend, and not comprend. Ofrecer. Ofrecer means to offer. Ofrecer. And it's the same thing here. We're not going to say ofre, but it's going to be ofre. Ofrecer. Poder. Poder means to be able to. Poder. Saber. Saber means to know. Saber. Conocer. Conocer means to know as well. So that can be kind of confusing. It can also mean to meet. So to meet someone. Conocer. Aprender. Aprender means to learn. Aprender. Leer. Leer means to read. Leer. This word for me has also been difficult to say over the past few years because of the two E's. Leer. Leer. And it's not leer, pero es leer. Vender. Vender means to sell. Vender. And remember here the V sound or the B sound. So it is vender and not vender. And remember the V sound here or the B sound, so it's going to be vender and not vender. Esconder. Esconder means to hide. Esconder. Hacer. Hacer means to do or to make. Hacer. And as you can see here, we have the H or la H. And if you remember, the H is silent sometimes. Most of the time, it is silent. But there are some exceptions to that. But in this case, it's going to be silent. So we're going to say hacer, and we're not going to say hacer. No. No hacer, but hacer. Romper. Romper means to break. Romper. And here we don't have the double R, but since the R is the first letter of this word, we actually are going to roll it. So it is romper and not romper. Responder. Responder means to respond. Responder. As you can see here, we have the double R, so we're going to say re. And we're not going to say responder. Not responder, but we are going to say responder. Promover. Promover means to promote. Promover. This word here is kind of tricky to pronounce as well because we have this P in the R, the first two letters of this word. So we're going to have a little R rolling sound here. So it's going to be pro. And it's not going to be pro, not promover, but it's going to be promover. Promover. And then like here again, we have the V or the bass sound. So it's going to be promover, ver, and not ver. So promover. There you have it, 20 basic Spanish verbs that end with ER. Now, if you want to learn some Spanish verbs that end with AR, watch this next video.